Okay guys, now I'm going to show you how to fund your account. All right, so now you've created your e-wallet, you have verified your identity, you've got an email that says you're ready to go. And so now I'm going to show you what you have to do in order to get funds into your account. This is when you're going to wire funds. Now, the first thing you have to do, first of all, let me go back to, okay, so we're in our AGN back office, and the first thing we need to do is create an invoice for the amount that we want to do. Now, if you're going to do, first of all, you have to decide what membership level you're going to get started at. If you're going to do just a basic, just want to get started and you know, get going, you're going to do the $10 a month membership, which means you can buy up to 5 of these vouchers. I suggest doing the diamond. As you can tell, I'm a diamond right here, which is $100 a month. So the first thing we're going to do is you're going to go to transfer funds. This is how we're going to create an invoice, okay? So if you're going to do the $100 membership, you need to make sure that you add that $100 to the amount of packages that you're going to buy. So for this example, we're going to say that I'm going to do a $600 package because that's how much I'm going to wire in here. And let's just say $600. Now, if you're going to do a membership on top of that, I've already got my membership paid for, so I don't have to. But if you're going to do the $10, the $50, or the $100 membership, make sure you add that amount to this number right here. And then since we're going to use eWallet, we're going to click on iPayout, and then we're going to click Deposit. Okay? Now, this just created an invoice into my eWallet, which is right over here. So one second. Okay, so you're going to come to your Argent Global Network eWallet website, which is just argentglobalnetwork.globalewallet.com. You're going to enter your username that you selected whenever you signed up and your password. This is your second password, not your AGN password, but your eWallet password, and you're just going to log in. Okay, now it's going to take you to this page right here, which this is the checkout. Ignore all these. This is just because I've been making videos and creating invoices, but yours will show the one invoice you just created. And you can see right here is today's date for the $600. Now, if you need to do your membership also, it'll have $610 or $650 or $700. That'll be the amount. So this is how we're going to wire the funds. So we're just going to deselect these because I'm not going to worry about those. Actually, I'll go ahead and pay this, the one that I created a long time ago, $600. Okay, so let's say you're going to wire $600 to your account. You're going to select the invoice, and you're going to select a payment option. Now, we're going to do a wire deposit, so we're going to select that. And this just shows we're going to provide the information for the bank, which I'll do that in just a second. And you can see here it hasn't added the amount yet. Okay, but it will. Give me just one second. Okay, so my bank is USAA, and they're based out of San Antonio, Texas, and today's date. And then you're just going to hit continue. Okay, and it brings you here to confirm transaction. So we're going to do a wire from USAA for $600, and you can see now it's added the $20 processing fee. So the wire that you have to send is $620. Now, if you're, like I said before, if you're going to do a different amount, just it'll add it up for you. So acknowledge, enter your transaction PIN, which you set up, and confirm. Okay, now it's going to give you this transfer instructions, okay? This is everything that you need to provide to your bank or whoever is going to do the wire. Now, I happen to have USAA, which will do an online wire request, but if you have to take this into your bank, just print this out, take it to your bank. So now let's go to my bank and put the information in there. Okay, so now what my amount was $620 because it added that amount. My bank is going to charge me $20, so this is actually going to cost me $640. There's my account. Now the recipient name, this is the information we have to get from the global eWallet stuff. So one second. Okay, so I'm gonna, who it's gonna go to is global eWallet. So I'm just gonna copy that. And I'm going to type that in here. Okay, zip code is from the other page, 33009. So I want to put that on the other page. Okay, so 33009, and it's going to pull up Hollandale, Florida, enter the bank ABA number. Okay, so the ABA from the other page is 026009593, and then it's going to find out it's Bank of America, and that's exactly what we right here. We can see that it is Bank of America, and so that's all good. Okay, so that's who we wanted to go to. The bank account number from there, 898-047-027-041. Okay, 898-047-027-041. Now, additional wire instructions. This is very, very important. This reference number right here needs to be included in your wire instructions. If they don't put the reference number in there, if you don't include it, your wire will just be lost somewhere out in space, okay? So make sure that you include whatever your wire reference number is. Make sure you include that right here in your instructions. So we're just going to put the reference number. Whatever your reference number is, that's what you need to include right there, okay? Now again, this is just USAA. I don't know, your bank may have a different process. I know Bank of America is pretty easy like this, but this is just verifying the information, you know, verify, yep, make sure it's all right. Okay, and then I'm going to hit submit. Now, okay, so this is my confirmation. It was successfully sent. And you can see here the confirmation request received May 28th at 10:03 a.m. And so I'll make another video in a little bit as soon as the funds hit my account and show you what time, how long it took, because this literally only takes a couple of hours. Okay guys, that's how you send the wire, and this is how we're going to fund our eWallet, which will fund our AGN. So I'll make another video as soon as this all is done. Thanks a lot guys, have a great day.